Hello YouTube, Black Friday is near, and everyone wants shopping. How about re-shopping? For the upcoming holiday season, we are giving away $1,000 Walmart gift card. So, how to enter our giveaway? It's simple and easy, only 3 steps. Step 1. Go to bit.ly/Walmart8. Step 2. Fill out your email and information. Step 3. Your gift card is on the way. This giveaway is limited. We will close the giveaway after we have sent all our gift card. So make sure to enter to our giveaway after you watch this video. And like and subscribe our channel, more giveaway and better stuffs are coming. See you.